that is the shop shirt. As you see, this is the shirt I wear when I'm working downstairs doing fans or stuff. It's a Pepsi shirt. I bought it from Myers, and it turned into a shop shirt after it was bleached on accident and received all these stains. I tried out recently this Arm & Hammer powdered laundry detergent, Alpine Fresh, I guess, from Walmart. And I'm gonna see if I get the shirt really dirty, what we can wash out. So, let's start out with putting some stuff on it. Alright, let's analyze what we got. We have salsa, A1 sauce, mustard, strawberry jelly, Open Pit, ketchup, Thousand Island, mayonnaise, you've seen that before, and I'm going to take this Velveeta cup and put the cheese in it and then spread it on. This is just stuff I found from clearing out my fridge. So the first step, of course, is I'm going to make this Velveeta. And what I'm going to do with it is, all I'm going to do is add water. Actually, that's probably too much water. And then I'm going to open the cheese, put it in there, mix it around, and see what happens. So, don't know how well you'll be able to see this. I'll put it back here so you can.
I'm gonna put the cheese for the Velveeta in. Now I'm gonna mix it. I don't know how well this is gonna go because I'm not microwaving it. Should've just smeared the cheese on. Whatever. Because the shells aren't soft now. Whatever. This is still a nasty, mucky goop. Alright.
There you go. Okay. So let's get this stuff on. Alright. So, let's get this going. This is really stupid. Okay. So let's just grab the stuff. Sorry, I don't have a tripod. Actually, I should face this towards me so I can see it. Okay. And then I'm going to grab a spoon just to smear some stuff on. Alright, here we go. Hopefully we won't waste too much food. Mayonnaise. Thousand Island sauce.
Not really use salad dressing. There we go. We have more, so not too much of a waste. Okay.
Open Pit.
Put this up here, kind of. Again, the goal here is to waste as little food as possible, while also gaining accurate information. And yes, I really don't care about this shirt.
Alright, let's get some A1 sauce. We'll kind of dribble it. Nice barbecue going here. I'm sure the shirt will look just magnificent when we're done.
The A1 sauce doesn't really spread. Dang it. Alright, there we go. We call this good.
Kind of like spread it together, kind of. There we go. There we go. I'm trying not to get it on the front too much because I don't want to have to clean the floor up. Oh well. Alright. Next, we'll do some salsa.
Oh, it's all liquidy. Oh. I guess I didn't stir it, so you know, kind of what happens.
Now, I will say, my washer, since it's an old-style washer, since, you know, I know what's good, will probably get out some, but there's no way it's going to get out all of these stains. Some mustard. And all the brands you see in this video, I'm not advertising for. Alright, there we go. This is just, you know, I'm a typical American. I live in Michigan. I shop at Meijer stores. Because that's what we have. We don't have any Walmarts by us that are like food Walmarts. This shirt is like ruined. And I'm not counting the bleach stains. That's because that was my stupidity. We got some jam. Or some jelly. I grabbed a fork. of course. Again, I'm trying not to waste food here, but you don't really know what's gonna happen when you do these types of videos. I should eat this. If I got monetized, I would mix all this crap together and then eat it, I swear. If I got like 1,000 subscribers. I wish I could be monetized. Bye. That's Susan's fault. Alright, the jelly doesn't really spread that well. Okay. And then the big stain that always stains everything, ketchup. We're getting a lot of that. Oh, I got some on the floor. If you guys remember, I did a ketchup test a long time ago with my washer. Oh, man. Alright, last thing is this nasty... Oh, God. Oh, it looks like puke. Oh, God. It smells really bad. I might have to blur this, actually. You guys can't see what this looks like. I might actually have to blur this. I don't even want to look at it, actually. Oh my god. I want, like, the liquid and crap to, like, run down. Okay, now I'm gonna drape it over a trash can. Okay, I'm gonna, like, drape this in and see how that works. Oh my god. Because obviously, I can't have all this, like, liquid bullcrap. Get it really saturated. Okay. Okay, I think we got it as good as we can. Let me wash my hands so I can pick up the camera. Oh, Jesus. Why do I do this? So let me spread it out so I can get one last look at it before it goes in the wash. Alright, let's put it in. Okay guys, that's going in. Let's start the washer. We'll do large, cold, normal. And we'll put in the Arm & Hammer. There we go. And we will see how well this stuff turns out. Oh gosh. Check out our shirt. Trying not to show our mess. Laundry baskets. Alright, moment of truth. Oh, I'll have to clean the washer tub. Okay. No. No, I was pretending like I passed out. No way! Dude, it's completely clean. How? You guys saw how nasty... How? Is it that clean? Like, what the actual... What on earth? How did that get clean? I'll put it in the dryer. How did that get clean? Okay, I'm willing to bet that my washer's what... Wow. I'm willing to bet that my washer's what did it. I don't know about the detergent, but yeah, that's me saying. Arm & Hammer detergent, especially powdered. Wow. it is worth trying. I'm dead serious. Anyways, that's it.